Hi, how you doing? My name is Jason. I'm going to show you my dragon fruit flowers that are blooming at this moment. Come on over. Dragon fruit only bloom at nighttime. Here's one of them. They technically are self-pollinating. In other words, the pollen here just needs to get to this area here. Usually it happens from moths or bats or other bugs or something that will take it there. But just to make sure, you can use an ear swab, otherwise known as a Q-tip. Gather up as much of this pollen as you can and then just put it into this area. I have 3 that are blooming tonight. I had 2 that happened last night, and I came out and helped it to pollinate. They're technically self-pollinating, but you can help them out. I have 2 more on the other side over here. I don't know if you can get in here or not, but just gonna do the same thing on this one, and there's one more over here. It's hard to get to because we built this thing a little too close to the fence, and it's just in our backyard. It's not like a big farm or anything like that. So I even actually see a bug on this flying around like a gnat or something. So I'm not sure what it was. A little black thing. It's all hard to tell in the dark. So I'm just gonna take all the pollen, put it in these little thingies, and hopefully they get pollinated. I had one in the past that didn't really take, so it died. But most of the time when I do this, every other time I've done it, it works. So hopefully I'll have several new dragon fruit in a month or so, a month and a half maybe, that we can eat. So there's currently 3 that bloomed tonight, 2 last night, and I think I have 1 more that will be blooming probably tomorrow or the next day, I think. This is a dragon fruit trellis that I built. I actually just used 2x4s. I put 2 2x4s together and kind of offset it a little bit. I built this little frame and then set it on the top of one of them and screwed it all together. I have another one over here I just built on top of a tree stump, which is maybe not the best idea because the tree keeps growing branches out and I keep having to cut it off. And a new one over here that I planted some dragon fruit, some little ones right there, some cuttings, and they're gonna grow up, and then eventually this will all come over like a giant umbrella, and we'll have lots of dragon fruit, hopefully, if we're still in this house in a few years. It could take a few years. So thanks for watching the video.